Take a look, it's apartment, so many sleepers, so many people live inside. Maybe 6, 7, 8 persons. You can walk this way to the ex-freelancers park and turn and again go to the fields. Chicken barbecue. Place for sale. Property for sale. Apartment for rentals. Also apartment. This is JJ, yes? Georgi. Backside of JJ. Also dormitory here. Welcome to ex-freelancers park. Ex-freelancers park. Move left side. Georgi, dog, move.
Huh?
Dog, take a look. No, I don't know what happened with his dog. Maybe he want to bite you. they don't have so heavy traffic. It's okay. Natalia Hotel. This owner of apartment. So someone who want to rent. Ah, take a look. Already have Natalia's villas for rent. Already have information. Salary, how much? From 500 to 800 a day, dancers. Requirement, pretty.
Natumba siguro sa tubig mo.
Buka juice. If you want, you can buy Buka juice. 40 pesos. Okay, 40. Skytrax renovation. Excuse me, is Skytrax renovation? Skytrax. So when finish it? When finish? You don't know. After 1 year. Maybe good club in the future. Okay, thank you. After 1 year only. After 1 year. Yes, we will renovation 1 year.
Tinda ka na, may friend ka mag-ra.
I want to say, every time I watch, I get a little chuckle. I think about Joy Funai. Do you remember that?
What?
Joy Funai. We were walking with Shira in the mall. It says, Enjoy Funai. I said, what's that? I said, oh, Enjoy Fun at.
Ah, apartment.
Oh, two words. Enjoy Fun at Marquee Mall. And it says, Enjoy Funet.
Ah, it's in San Fernando. San Fernando, yes.
Enjoy Funet.
Yeah, yes. Funny.
Take care, man. I watch all the time, bro.
Thank you very much. Beautiful girls, Georgi. No, straight beta. Yeah. Hey, good table, take a look. It's easy. Just turn. Good. Traffic. Midnight Rodeo bar. I don't know, I never been. $70 local drinks. Georgi, 70 peso. Hi? Ah, Indian? Next time, not now, thank you.
That's the bar. They have a new bar in the corner. They have a billiard, they have a darts.
Okay, what name of bar? What name of bar?
That's a DJ store.
Ah,
That's the
DJ.
one, this one.
Ah, in the corner.
Yeah.
Okay, later we can walk. Okay, thank you very much.
There got a retired serviceman.
Okay.
White and black.
Okay, thank you. This guy said maybe about Makos with billiard. He said new bar. Maybe he already opened. Georgi, what about Makos billiard? No, he said they already opened a new bar in the first floor. You don't know?
Yes, today.
Ah, today will open. Maybe I will take video now. What do you think? Okay, let's go. We can walk and come back to the Makos and take a look. But this camera is not for night. I think it's okay. Valentina's hotel. I already take video. It's good hotel. October 6th. Georgi, can you ask allowed take video or not? I don't know. Not allowed take video, allowed or not?
Hello, sir.
Allowed take video or not?
Oh, right now, sir. I'm very sorry. It's not.
Okay, already. Okay, thank you. Massage. Clean massage. But have dirty massage you seen before? Dirty massage. Bar? Ah, this is bar? No, with camera not allowed. So, sorry. No, I can, but if they allow. Where you go, Georgi? Do you want? Drink coffee you want? Okay. Because I need to come back to home to 6, but I use motor today. That's why. Aye?
Why?
Are we going to the SM? Eat in SM. And Shaira will go to the party today at night, Filipina club. That's why I need to go to home later. No, we can have time now. Now what time? 5:25. It's enough. Okay. Oh, so many people. So many people here. Cappuccino, how much you pay for cappuccino, Georgi?
160.
160, and let's put best cappuccino in Angeles, you said.
I don't know, but I check Starbucks. Other. Yes, this better.
Here more better, here.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay.
But I check Starbucks, Tom and Tom's, Coffee Beans. But Kiev is better.
Guys, thank you for watching. I will go soon to the home because I need to pick up Shaira. Shaira hungry, and we will go to SM restaurant. And later Shaira will go to the party with your sisters, cousins, to Filipina club in, I don't know, near San Fernando. So we rent car already at night. Morning we will go to Manila. Manila is, I forgot name. No, Manila in Mall of Asia, sorry. Mall of Asia. You can eat in IKEA. You can see in the video, next video. Thank you for watching.